I would say I have this all planned out T, but you know how it goes. Procrastination is one of the human's greatest assets in life. Most likely, you've experienced the benefit, the pleasure, and discomfort of waiting till the last second to do something. Today, we're going to be talking about the required time for assignment, doing another assignment before the assignment, and finally, completing the assignment in the nick of time. Now, let us slowly move into our next step. I know nobody wants to be doing this, especially being uphill. So let me just make all this up off the top of my head. According to Study Blog, people spend about 218 minutes per day just procrastinating, which is equivalent to 55 days out of a whole year of just pure procrastinating. Whenever I first receive an assignment, now let us take my Spanish assignment for example. Whenever I first receive it, I see how many different parts it includes in it, such as intentos or actividades. For example, if I have 1 to 3, it would be about 5 to 15 minutes. 4 to 8 would be about 15 to 30 minutes. In addition, let us move on to our other assignments we have to complete before this dreaded assignment. On average, students have about 8 classes per semester, which each most likely gives homework varying from easy to extremely difficult. For example, I always like to do my difficult ones before my easy ones. The reason why is because it helps to improve my encouragement throughout. My difficult assignments compared to my easy ones would have to go from Spanish, public speaking, physics, and so on throughout down the line. According to the productive engineer, people who complete their difficult assignments before the easier ones actually have a higher productivity and a higher achievement throughout. Active procrastination is doing another assignment before the assignment that's due, instead of just lazing about on your phone or playing video games. Assignments may vary in importance, such as an upcoming deadline or possibly just forgetting to do your chores until the last second, until you see your mom's car pull up in the driveway. Finally, let us move on to our final part. Let's move on to a final part of our assignment. According to DeVry University, moderate procrastination actually gives time, makes you have time to mull over a task or problem you may be facing. For example, it possibly also relates back to innovators and original thinkers throughout our history. Now, taking my Spanish assignment into example again, this would probably take me about an hour and 15 minutes, which includes 18 different actividades and intentos. With this amount of stress throughout my body, let us move on to the final part of our assignment that we have to get done today. I'm going to start off my conclusion by just saying I'm sorry for making you have to listen to this. I may have put it together last second, but hey, at least I'm not by myself. Today, we went over the required amount of time for assignment, doing another assignment before this assignment, and finally, completing the assignment just before the deadline. I hope you remember this demonstration the next time you get your next class assignment.